Hello kids! Are you ready to learn some fun opposite words? Let's go! Big, small. A big elephant and a small mouse. Say it with me. Big, small. Hot, cold. Hot soup and cold ice cream. Repeat after me. Hot, cold. Up, down. The balloon goes up and the ball goes down. Let's say it together. Up, down. In, out. The cat goes in and the cat comes out. Say it with me. In, out. Open, close. Open the book, then close the book. Repeat. Open, close. Fast, slow. The cheetah runs fast and the turtle walks slow. Say it with me. Fast, slow. Happy, sad. The happy child is smiling. The sad child is crying. Repeat. Happy, sad. Tall, short. A tall tree and a short plant. Let's say it together. Tall, short. Day, night. The sun shines in the day. The moon shines at night. Repeat after me. Day, night. Good, bad. Good manners are important. Bad manners are not nice. Say it one more time. Good, bad.